Oh, and
go out.
Go out? Are you asking me to go out? It's okay. It will be so delicious. Tapos December, naging 17. Good morning, everyone. Sunday ngayon. So, relax-relax lang kami today. Si Daddy ay nagluluto ng biko. Naisipan lang namin magbiko kasi yung isang friend namin ay nagluto ng biko kahapon. Kaya gaya-gaya po tumaya. Diba, Daddy? Okay. And ang aking isa prinsesa tulog pa doon. Ito yung gamit namin mochi rice. So, parang pilit. Ito siya. Parang mochi. Then, yung sugar. Ito lang. Tapos, nilagyan namin ng konting itong konti lang. Mayroon kasi kami ganito. Yung black sugar. Brown, dark sugar. And dalawang, dalawang block. Wala pa tawag dyan. Yes, baba. Tapos, ayan si Daddy, nagluluto. Habang nag-aaral. Okay, and then I will also wash the dishes. Hugasan na ako ng plato, guys. So, muna kami, teamwork for today's video. Diba, Daddy? Maliit lang ang space ng aming kitchen area, lutuan at hugasan. Kaya pag naghuhugas ako, sabon hugas para maano ko dito. Kaya sikip dito sa sink. Yun naman talaga, because we are living in an apartment and this is just anong apartment to? 1DK. Ibig sabihin, 1 room, 1 dining, 1 kitchen. Yung dati naming inupahan, yung ako pa lang, ay 1K lang yun. Ibig sabihin, 1 room, na yung room na yun, parang living room na din.
1 room, 1 kitchen.
1 room, 1 kitchen.
Walang dining.
No dining. Yung dining, yung bedroom ng ang liit. Pero, good naman yun. Goods yun for 1 person. But you know the advantage of living in a very small space? Kasi konti lang din ang nilinisan. All parts of this house, ang bilis linisan, kaya natatapos ko talaga siguro max ng 3 hours. Pati ng mga, tupi. Natatapos ko talaga yan. Yes, cheese.
Cheese.
Yeah, cheese.
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 Cheese. Cheese. Asa. Asa. Asa.
Asa? What's asa?
Asa.
Morning.
Asa, morning. Do you really mean morning, Baba?
Cheese, hits
Nani?
Mo.
Nani?
Then go.
Water.
Water? Oh, you want to drink water? Wait.
Water.
Okay, I will make tea, okay? Okay, just a minute, Baba. Okay, I'm almost done. So I can make tea for you, okay? That's water, Baba.
May pa naluto guys, man.
I know, it's okay. We can wait.
Hello.
So well, the other side. Oh, and
Go out.
Go out? Are you asking me to go out? That's bad. This is my house.
Oh no.
This is under my name, not under your name.
We're just borders here.
You're just borders, so you have to be good to me.
Oh no, Mommy is mad. What did you do? Isa, what did you do?
Who's this?
Isa.
Is that Isha? That's mommy.
Mommy.
You are assuming. You little gander.
You little taranchan.
You little gander who's still sleepy.
Isa.
Isha. You are Isha. I am mommy.
Mommy.
Yes, and that's daddy.
Mommy.
Okay. Can you kiss mommy? Kiss mommy, please. Kiss mommy. Sa lips. Oh, very good. Idako. What's idako? Yay! Andyan ang biko namin. Na, gamay naman rin. Ito na dito, ha? Kakap?
Luwan ba? Lagay.
Yay! Are you excited?
Oh, shit.
Here you go.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday because there's Biko.
It's
I told you it's a lot, mommy.
It's okay. It will be so delicious. Kay Isha to. Tapos ako, ginawa ko siyang palaman sa aking tinapay. Si daddy naman, ayan, busy. Okay, so this is our breakfast. Let's eat. Itadakimasu. Here you go.
birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Hello! We're eating our lunch already. And since may tira yung aming gata kanina na ginamit sa Biko kasi hindi nubos. 2/3 lang yung ginamit ni Daddy. Tapos may 1/3 pa na naiwan sa gata. Kaya natira pala. Ito, gumawa nagluto si Daddy ng halang-halang. Halang-halang.
Hindi natin sure kung
Ang naman ito. So, ang sarap. Look, this is how it looks. Sana maanghang today. And ayun na nga, ang i-share namin sa vlog for today ay ang bills. Electricity bill. Yeah, kasi nagluluto kami sa electric stove. Wala kaming gas dito. Itong apartment namin ay walang gas. All denki, tawag dun din? All denki, meaning all electricity. Pati ang heater namin, electricity. Pati ang sa water, namin, boiler, electricity. Lahat-lahat electricity. Hindi ko alam kung mas matipid ba? Tingin mo din mas matipid? Mas mahal ang all denki siguro. Kasi, i-share ko, nung ako pa lang dito, kasi dumating ako dito na April 2024. Is this mine?
Yes.
April 2024. Ako pa lang noon. Dumating sila September 2024. So, noong April until August 2024, doon ako sa isang apartment ko before. Doon, magkahiwalay. Hindi siya all denki. So, hiwalay ang gas sa electricity. Hindi ako maka-multitask, guys. But I'll try to. Magkahiwalay. So, mahal talaga din ang gas. But, kung ito-total natin, ilagay ko dito. Sige, dito. Ilagay ko dito. April, electricity and gas ko, Ano lang, ba't ang mura nito? 1,800. Tapos, may electricity and gas is 5,600. June is 2,900. July is 3,200. Tapos, August is 3,200 din. Tapos, ng September, dumating na sila. Naging 5,200, 5,198, 5,200. Ang layo ah. Tapos, oo, same apartment, yun yung dating apartment. Tapos yung October, nandun pa rin kami sa dating apartment. Naging 6,100. Tapos dito sa aming apartment ngayon, lumipat kami. November ay 13,000. Electricity lang yun ha. Yun na yun, pati heating, kasi all denki nga. Tapos December, naging 17. Kasi nag-start na ng November. 17. Kasi nag-start na nag-snow. Kaya nag-on na kami ng heater. May centralized heating system. Centralized ba tawag na din? Basta may malaki kami heater dito. January, 25,000. February, 27,500. Tapos, nung March, medyo nilimit namin ang paggamit ng heater. Pero nag-heater pa rin kami. Kaya naging 23,000. Tapos nung May, naging 18,500. At yung June, naging 13,000. So, as you can see, parang 10,000 din. 10,000 yan ang difference. Kung nag-heater kami, dahil winter that time, sa hindi kami nag-heater. Let's see how much our electricity... meron na ata. Ayan, meron na kaming July, which is 16,000.
Maliit lang.
So, if, kung tansya-tansya, ay yung gusto mong malaman how much the electricity bill is here. Ganun yan. We are a family of 3. And then, anong mga appliances natin dito, Daddy? Can you enumerate? Ref, 24 hours, no?
TV.
TV, no?
Washing machine. Cook stove.
Of course. Araw-araw kami nagluluto, eh.
Yan siya.
Nagmamake-up ng hair.
Ate Iyo!
Tapos, electric fan. Air fryer. Tapos merong griller. Yun lang naman meron. Ay,
So
yung
far, almost everyday kami nag-air fryer.
Saka.
Tapos yung grill naman, hindi pa. Nakaka-isang beses pa lang kami gumamit. Ayun lang naman. Tapos may laptop, of course, charging. Electric fan namin ngayon, 2. Tapos kung nasa bahay kami, halos 24 hours din. Kung nag-work naman kami, parang 15 hours siguro. So, ganun. Just giving you an idea. If you're planning to transfer to an apartment, and then yung apartment na lilipatan mo ay all denki, I can say na mas mahal. Mas mahal siya. Siguro pag gas, magkahiwalay ang gas sa electricity, mas siguro ng konti.
Mami!
Oy!
Mami!
Yeah.
Uy.
Actually, yung winter, yung heater, ginagamit namin lang on average 4 hours every day. 4 hours pa yan, ha?
Pag natulog na wala.
Pag tulog na kami, hindi na namin ginagamit. Kasi kaya naman naka 3 layers, tapos comforter ng kapal. Kaya naman. Pero pag hindi pa kami tulog, ay ang hirap gumalaw. Dahil baka lamig. Pag lumagpas siguro kami ng like 5 to 8 hours na mag-heater. Oh my gosh, ano na lang ang bill namin, baka umabot na ng 50. So far, ang highest namin ay 27,500.
Anong month yun, May?
Anong month? February.
Kasi pinakamalamig.
Yeah, ang pinakamalamig dito sa Hokkaido ay sa Sapporo, January, February. Ayan. Grabe yan. Namig yan. Hi guys, that's all for today, and I hope you will watch our next vlog. See you next time. Janet. Daddy.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Janet.